In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma design to Webflow. Full step-by-step tutorial. We'll start inside your Figma project. Make sure the design you plan to bring into Webflow is tidy and ready. Clear layer names, consistent text styles, and organized frames will save you time later. If you're using auto layout, check spacing and hierarchy so the structure translates more intuitively once you're in Webflow. Now open the Figma menu by clicking the Figma logo in the top left corner of the app. This is your hub for settings, files, and what we need today, plugins. From that menu, choose plugins. If you haven't installed anything yet, don't worry, we'll add exactly what we need. Select Manage Plugins. This opens the plugin manager, where you can browse and install tools that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search bar, type Figma to Webflow. You're looking for the plugin called Design in Figma, Launch in Webflow. This is the official bridge that helps connect your Figma design with your Webflow project. Verify the listing details so you're installing the correct one, then proceed. Once installed, go ahead and run the plugin. You can do this right from the plugin manager or from the plugins submenu you opened earlier. When the plugin launches, you'll see a prompt to connect with Webflow. This connection allows the plugin to pass design information and assets from Figma into your Webflow workspace securely. Click Authorize App. This uses a standard, secure authorization flow to link your Figma session with your Webflow account. Grant the requested permissions so the plugin can access assets and perform the actions needed for the transfer. If you use multiple workspaces or sites in Webflow, ensure you're authorizing the one that matches your project plan. If you're collaborating, confirm you have the right access level before proceeding. After authorization, you're connected and ready to move forward. At this point, your design is prepared, the plugin is running, and Webflow is linked, so you can begin translating your visual work into a build-ready environment. A quick tip: keep an eye on consistent spacing, typography scales, and image exports. Clean conventions in Figma tend to yield cleaner structure once you're working in Webflow. And that's it. Nice and straightforward. You opened your project, accessed the plugins area, installed and ran Design in Figma, Launch in Webflow, and authorized the connection. Congratulations, you've set up the essential pipeline to bring your Figma design into Webflow with confidence and clarity. Now you're ready to continue your build.